I mean, you can't really do anything on a job site without the electricity. You could dig, put the foundation in, then you get kind of stuck. So you need the electricians to do the other stuff to get you going in the right direction. You need light, you need power. My dad was an electrician. He was an electrician, he started in the service, he was in the Air Force, and then he transitioned to working for 3M. Eventually transitioned out of the trade, but he was an electrician, and so understanding what he did every day and seeing him work was interesting. I'm an area manager in maintenance and operations.
What does that mean?
That means that I oversee the work for buildings, maintenance, small construction projects, housekeeping.
Housekeeping?
Housekeeping.
Direct housekeepers?
I try not to.
What are the trades that report to
you? Carpenters, masons, painters, electricians, electrical operators, AC shop, steam shop, plumbers, PM.
How is it dealing with the steam shop?
Steam shop guys are pretty good.
They're pretty good?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Pretty good. How about the electricians? How is it working with the electricians?
The electricians are good. The electrical operators primarily deal with switchgear, and the electricians deal with the just the lights and light switches, outlets, receptacles, smaller equipment.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
All right, now you got to display it like I just won it. You know?
Like you just won it?
Like I just won it. Spin it. All right, now can you explain to me what that thing is?
This is a commutator. It is going to allow this ride to spin. So we're going to connect.
Hold it. It's not just a ride. It's a Mini-Himalaya.
It's a Mini-Himalaya coaster.
Wait, I like the way you say it. Say it again.
Mini-Himalaya coaster. And we're going to connect the wires that are over there. Main power supply is here. And the phases and the ground.
Okay, can you be a little more detailed about the phases, the phase wires and the connection points?
So you see we have 1, 3 here, so this is going to be our connection point. This is going to be our connection point for phase 1, phase 3.
So let's say A, B, and C.
Okay. Oh, okay. So our connection points for the different phases, A, B, and C, and a ground.
All right, so